Hey there, health buddies. How are you all? You might be thinking this is just a regular lemon, something to squeeze into your tea or drizzle on a salad. But what if I told you? This little yellow fruit has secret superpowers. Yes, you heard that right. Superpowers. Except instead of fighting crime, it fights off health issues. Like a real-life superhero for your body. Lemons are a popular fruit that people use in small quantities to add flavor to baked goods, sauces, salad dressings, marinades, drinks, and desserts. However, they rarely consume them alone due to their intense, sour taste. Lemons are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for health, and a deficiency can lead to health problems. The early explorers knew this and took lemons on their long voyages to help prevent or treat scurvy, a life-threatening condition that was common among sailors. Along with a boost of vitamin C, lemons are infused with the goodness of fiber, calcium, thiamine, pantothenic acid, folate, magnesium, and copper. Furthermore, they are low in calories. So, are you ready to uncover all the juicy secrets of lemons? Grab a glass of lemon water, sit back, and get ready, because you're about to discover the real magic of this yellow superhero. 1. Supports heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C. One lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 51% of the reference daily intake. Research shows that eating fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin C reduces your risk of heart disease. However, it's not only the vitamin C that is thought to be good for your heart. The fiber and plant compounds in lemons could also significantly lower some risk factors for heart disease. For instance, one study revealed that eating 24 grams of citrus fiber extract daily for a month reduced total blood cholesterol levels. Plant compounds found in lemons, namely hesperidin and diosmin, have also been found to lower cholesterol. 2. Boosting the immune system. Foods that are high in vitamin C and other antioxidants may help strengthen the immune system against the germs that cause the common cold and the flu. One review found that while vitamin C supplements do not appear to reduce the incidence of colds in a population, they may help reduce the length of time a cold lasts. Vitamin C may also help boost immunity in people who are undergoing extreme physical activity. Squeezing a whole lemon into a glass of hot water with a large spoonful of honey makes a soothing drink for someone with a cough or cold. 4. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidneys. They are quite common, and people who get them often get them repeatedly. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and increasing urine pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Just a half cup, 4 ounces or 125 milliliters, of lemon juice per day may provide enough citric acid to help prevent stone formation in people who have already had them. Some studies also found that lemonade effectively prevented kidney stones, but the results have been mixed. 5. Protect against anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common. It occurs when you don't get enough iron from the foods you eat. Lemons contain some iron, but they primarily prevent anemia by improving your absorption of iron from plant foods. Your gut absorbs iron from meat, chicken, and fish, known as heme iron, very easily, while iron from plant sources, non-heme iron, not as easily. However, this absorption can be improved by consuming vitamin C and citric acid. Because lemons contain both vitamin C and citric acid, they may protect against anemia by ensuring that you absorb as much iron as possible from your diet.
6. Improve digestive health. Lemons are made up of about 10% carbs, mostly in the form of soluble fiber and simple sugars. The main fiber in lemons is pectin, a form of soluble fiber linked to multiple health benefits. Soluble fiber can improve gut health and slow the digestion of sugars and starches. These effects may result in reduced blood sugar levels. However, to get the benefits of fiber from lemons, you need to eat the pulp. People who drink lemon juice without the fiber found in the pulp will miss out on the benefits of the fiber.
7. Reduce cancer risk. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help prevent some cancers. Some observational studies have found that people who eat the most citrus fruit have a lower risk of cancer, while other studies have found no effects. In test tube studies, many compounds from lemons have killed cancer cells. However, they may not have the same effect on the human body. Some researchers think that plant compounds found in lemons, such as limonene and naringenin, could have anti-cancer effects, but this hypothesis needs further investigation. Animal studies indicate that D-limonene, a compound found in lemon oil, does have anti-cancer properties. The study discovered that these compounds prevented malignant tumors from developing in the tongues, lungs, and colons of rodents. However, it should be noted that the research team used a very high dose of the chemicals, far more than you would get by eating lemons or oranges. While some plant compounds from lemons and other citrus fruits may have anti-cancer potential, no quality evidence suggests that lemons can fight cancer in humans. Unlike many fruits, lemons do not ripen or improve in quality after picking. People should harvest lemons when they are ripe and store them at room temperature away from direct sunlight. Lemons pair well with both savory and sweet dishes. The nutrients in lemons offer several health benefits. However, it is difficult to obtain all the necessary nutrients from lemon due to its sour taste and high acid content. However, consuming lemon juice as part of a varied diet that includes plenty of other fresh fruits and vegetables can make a person's diet more nutritious and healthful. Now that you know the secret superpowers of lemons, here's a question for you. What's your favorite way to use lemons? Is it in your morning routine, in recipes, or maybe even for a little DIY skincare? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.